Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to activate test mode and how to test your device. So at first, open the phone dialer and now we will enter the secret code which will allow us to open the test menu. So let's enter *##, 372733 ###. And now we are in test menu. As you can see here, you can test all the features. So you can test camera, flashlight, brightness, pixel color, receiver, speaker, also the keyboard, USB, touch lens, G sensor, real-time clock, SIM cards, both SIM cards actually, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, fingerprint and all the others. So let me show you, for example, how speaker tests look like. Let me click here. It's definitely working properly. We heard beautiful song from the movie. Then let me show you vibration test. Let me start it, click on start, and now we will be counting. Definitely 4 of them. So it passed the test, and you can also, for example, check the brightness. Yeah, it's working. So that's it. This is how you can test your device. As you can see, you will find definitely the proper test here. And if you have any issues with your device, with the features, simply enter this secret code and then test your Nokia. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.